So, very good evening, everyone. In this today's session, we are going to discuss about different features of Pega CDH. Then, after that, we'll see first everyone may have some frequently having few doubts, right, regarding the CDH. So, what we need to have a prior knowledge when we want to learn Pega CDH, and after learning this, what are the different certifications we have to do, and what is the future scope when you learn this. All these things we'll discuss in today's session. After that, what is this Pega CDH and Pega CPDC, as you know, right? And what are the different features are combining with to learn Pega CPDC. All these things we learn in today's session, and this demo session will continue for 3 days. So day by day we'll learn different points. So please stay connected till end of the session, and just let me know, is it okay with my flow or any speed issues?
It's
So any
fine.
one of you please try to respond, and this session should be like one to one. Everyone you can speak, no problem. So when you talk, then only it will be easy to understand, right, whether you people are able to understand my points or not. So please try to respond, and then we can start our session. And mainly one thing, please remember, my goal in this entire training period is not just to teach you the features of CDH. Okay, so you have to understand how it works in the real time. When you learn any of the feature, where it has to apply. So suppose if you know something where you need to use it, that also you need to know, right? So that's what you are very new to this CDH, or already you are familiar with few parts of it, that is fine. But I'll make sure we will cover everything from fundamentals only. Okay, so from very basic to advanced level, we are going to cover in this today's session, like in this entire duration of your training period, so that we'll start our session quickly. Okay, and I'll first start with frequently asked questions. So then within first 15 minutes to 20 minutes we'll discuss about this, and then only we'll proceed with the technical stuff. Okay, because if I'll clear these particular questions, then you may not get other questions, right? So my screen visible, I think. We'll start with the one by one, then we'll continue with the other points to discuss. Okay, so everyone, when people want to learn this Pega CDH or any of other technologies, mainly they may have few questions with them, right? So among all different questions, I have drafted few very important questions. First people have to know. Okay, then among that very first question here, what are the prerequisites are needed to learn Pega CDH? Okay, so whenever you people want to learn Pega CDH, prior knowledge is needed. Then what is the prior knowledge here? You need to know Pega PRPC. In that we'll be having two parts generally, right? What are that? One is Pega CSA level and Pega CSSA level. So these are very important levels which you need to cover when you are learning about Pega PRPC, right? And then if you are interested towards Pega CPDC, very important, you have to maintain CSA knowledge. Okay, why the reason also I'll tell you. Because when you are learning about this CDH, where in between you need to use few rules of Pega CSA. Okay, then what are the rules we need to know here? Generally you need to know about properties, section rules, and then you have to maintain knowledge on activities. Okay, and data transforms also needed, data transform rules. After that, reports also somewhere it is needed. Okay, and then decision rules also you need to use. Getting my point? After that, you have to know about services. In that services also, it is needed mainly rest integration. Okay, where you need to have this service rest and connect rest related prior knowledge. Okay, so when you have this with you, if suppose somewhere we are using the service related existing out of the box rules only, but when you are discussing about something, first you need to know about that, right? So that's what these all are very needed prior knowledge to learn Pega CPDC. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. If you want to learn about Pega CDH features, very important to know Pega CSA level up to this. Okay, so clear everyone? Any one of you, even you can respond through this.
Yes, it's clear.
No, no, I'm speaking. I think please check your connection once again and try to reconnect once. Okay.
And now you are audible.
Yeah, okay then. Thank you for the confirmation. So, next question everyone may have, which version of the course we are going to cover in the next coming entire training period. So, the latest version only we are covering, that is 24.2 version. Okay, so before that, we need to know about different latest introduced features also. We will see in the coming sessions. But what is the version we are covering in this next 45 days to 2 months? 24.2 version. Okay, and then how is the market opportunities now? As you know, when you people are really interested to learn Pega CPDC, somewhere you have openings, right? That's what, if you are working in Pega PRPC or some other domains, but if you know Pega CSA level, you are eligible to learn Pega CDH. Okay, generally there are different ways. If you want to go as Pega developer, you need to learn Pega CSA plus CSSA, and then if you are okay, you can do LSA, right? If you are feeling some difficult with this Pega developer role, then you can go with CSA directly. You can do CPDC certification. Okay, then with minimum 2 plus also you have openings in the market. Getting my point? Clear? And how many years of experience you can keep in resume after this training period? Minimum 3 plus you can able to keep. Beyond that, how that all things are depends on your practice. Okay, so when even we are in the learning stage, trainer can tell you different ways how to learn and what are the places you need to do some research. Then that next level of research is totally depends on you only. So from our side we can provide suppose 50% which will be depends on training, remaining let's say 20% may depends on some kind of interview related point of view. Okay, and remaining you have 30%, right? That entire 30% will be depends on your communication skills, communications, as well as your research. Getting my point? So you people have to understand my point. From our side, even not only this 50%, whatever the needed stuff to crack your interview, we can deliver from my side. Okay, I can deliver. But the thing here, it is depends on you only. How you are doing further researching and how you are doing the practice regularly. Here, one thing remember everyone, practice is very important. Even you are attending the sessions regularly, that will help you up to some level. But what is the next point? How you are doing the practice, that is the total dependent point here. Getting? So even with 3 plus, like if you have minimum 2 plus with Pega, and you can keep remaining 3 with CDH. Okay, then altogether you can go with the 5 plus also. Otherwise, directly, if you want to add this CDH experience, first you need to mention at least 1 year with Pega, and remaining 2 to 3 years you need to add with the CDH profile. Okay, altogether this will become 3 plus 2, 4 years of experience. Clear, everyone? Getting my point, right? And how to do practice? Is there any personal edition is available to do practice about Pega CDH features? Actually, one thing you have to understand, if you are learning Pega PRPC related rules, then you have the facility, you can install personal edition and you can able to work on. But when you are working on CDH related features, you need to use cloud edition only. Cloud edition you have to use. That thing also I will show you. So where you need to do practice with the mission exercises. Okay, but here I will just guide you what is the flow you need to follow. Then if you follow that, you can able to do practice all the mission exercises and you will gain all the knowledge which is needed. But the flow which is there in the PDN is different, but the flow which I follow is different. Okay, so if we follow a different way of approach to complete all the different features of CDH, you can able to complete all the missions and you can clear your certification also. Okay, you can clear your certification also. But regularity is very important. If you attend the sessions very regularly, it will be easy to crack your interviews. At the same time, to do practice also it will be easy. If 1 hour you attend for the session, within next 1 hour, 1.5 hour, you can able to do the practice. But if you miss the session to attend, the remaining, to go with the recorded session, minimum you need 1.5 hour to 2 hours to attend or to clear your video. So, based on your requirement, let's say a few people may have some other works with them, then that there is no scope. You need to go with the recorded session. But maximum, please try to attend the live sessions. Then that will be very easy to gain more knowledge and it will be very interactive session also. So try to attend the sessions, and there is no personal edition to do the practice. So I will show you the paths how to log into your cloud edition and where to launch your mission exercises and how to follow all those things. I will guide you, no problem. And come to sixth question, what about certifications and what are the different certifications are needed to apply your profile as CDH? Okay, means Certified Decisioning Architect. If you want to go, then what are the certifications you have to do? It is mandatory to do at least Pega CSA certification along with Pega CPDC certification. If you do both Pega CSA plus CSSA, that is also fine, no problem. Then you can do manage, or few organizations they may are asking to do additional CPDC certification, then also you can do like this. Okay, so mandatory it is to do Pega CSE certification, and either you can choose Pega CPDC directly or you can do CSA, CSSA and CPDC. Okay, and then what is the process of training and what we will cover here? So here the process of training is, generally we'll connect for the session by 7 to 8 p.m. regularly, right? So training will be Monday to Friday. Most probably we'll connect regularly. If here and there some urgent any needed things, then we'll take 1 or 2 days leave, otherwise we'll continue. And if we are taking some gap like 1 or 2 days, then I'll compensate that sessions with a weekend if you don't have any issues. Otherwise, most probably we will connect from Monday to Friday regularly. After that, after this session, I will upload all documents, okay, all the documents in the Google Classroom. Google Classroom, I will attach all the theoretical documents along with practical practical screenshot documents. Practical screenshots also I will attach with the Word document, and we will share interview related question and answers document. Okay, question and answers documents also I will share. And after completing few sessions like 15 to 20 sessions, if you are okay, then I can share some kind of exercises. Okay, then this will be easy to go through with all the rules. When if you want to do practice independently, after these 15 to 20 sessions, I will share exercises. Even starting of the sessions also, if you want me to share, I can share regularly. But whatever different features we are discussing that particular day, if you cover that, that is fine. Okay, instead of that you want me to share these documents also, I can do that. Okay, so this is the way of training procedure. And this training will be generally 45 days to 2 months. Okay, sometimes we may extend the duration based on the grasping power. Like few people may get the stuff within 1 hour, okay, related to one rule. Few people may take 10 more minutes to understand. Like this, based on student capability, I have to cover these sessions. Okay, so training maybe depends on 45 days to 2 months roughly, may it extended to 10 days more also. Okay, based on this. So altogether we will cover 35 sessions, let's say 35 sessions. So these all 35 sessions are working days. Okay, and then so about seven questions we have covered. And PDN ID can we create with our own email ID or not? So definitely you can do create your own PDN account with your mail ID itself. If you have any organization related mail ID, that is also fine. You can able to create your account and you can log in into PDN and you can work on some mission challenges and you can do it, no problem. Okay, so up to this clear everyone? Any questions till now? So just give me the confirmation once again. Abhi,
Clear.
Anurag, Aarti, Ayesha, Chandra,
Yes.
Himanshu. Clear, right? Everyone?
It's clear.
So we'll proceed with the next questions. And what type of help we will get from the trainer? Actually, after completion of your enrollment, we will create a WhatsApp group. Okay, there is a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, along with other students, okay, we will add trainer. Means I also will be there in the WhatsApp group, so that while doing your practice, if here and there, if you get any kind of questions or if you are stuck it somewhere due to some reasons, you can contact me directly. Okay, otherwise you can do message in the WhatsApp group, then I will respond immediately or after some time. Within that day itself you will get the response, but most probably I will try to respond quickly only. And what type of help you will get apart from this? You will be there in that WhatsApp group for lifetime. Okay, for lifetime. If here and there, if you are getting some kind of questions in your project, then you can able to ask here. Okay, but work support is a different kind. But here, if you want to need some kind of question related doubts clarification, you can able to contact us, no problem. Okay, so this is how we can do help from our organization. And what about this resume preparation here? We will help you to do this resume preparation. I will share a few mock projects, what kind of projects you can include in your resume. And we will cover most probably different features about CDH, right? Then by end of this training period, you will get some confidence what are the different rules you can able to include in your resume, so that it is easy to prepare your resume. Okay. And what about mock interviews here? If you are okay to give the mock interview for every 2 weeks, okay, means for every 15 days, or if you want me to take for every 10 days also, that is fine. I can take the mock interview. Okay, mock interview we will connect. So based on your availability, just try to schedule your mock interview. We will share number to you. So on so number we will share. To that particular number, if you contact, they will give you a slot according to your both persons availability. You can connect for the mock interview. Means that person is nothing but I only take the mock interview. Okay. Then for every 2 weeks or 10 days, you can test your skill by giving the mock interview. Okay. And what about this interview questions help? I will share that interview questions related documents with you in a Google Classroom, even in the middle of your training period or by end of your training sessions. Okay. So this is all about frequently asked questions from my end. Apart from these questions, if anyone have any questions from your end, you can able to ask here. Okay, you can ask here. If no doubts, then we'll proceed with the technical session. Yes, and
Yeah,
raised your
actually,
hand.
I have one question regarding the career switch. Currently, I am working as a senior architect. I am a
Okay.
CSSA certified.
Okay.
So, will it be good to move into CDH as like career
Yes,
point
that
of
is fine.
view?
No problem, right? So, how many years of experience do you have with you?
Yeah, currently I am holding around 5 years of experience.
So, all together, like both combining CSA and CSSA, right?
CAA. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
both.
definitely you can go with the CDH. This is definitely your added advantage only, right? When you are learning
Yeah,
a new skill, that will become like a
yeah.
added advantage only. So by
Mhm,
showing CSA, CSSA along with that
mhm.
CDH, even with the learning knowledge also fine. You can go as you can
So,
switch your profile, no problem.
yeah, yeah. In industry, both like CDH certified and that architect, both is working in a team or like they have different
Yeah, based
teams.
on dependency. Somewhere they
Yeah.
both have to work together. So
Okay.
CDH related team may work on CDH features like building different kinds of strategies. Okay,
Yeah.
defining
Yeah.
some kind of data flows, and they may work on defining some kind of CDH related features,
Yeah. Yeah.
defining some kind of actions, treatments, and these all are like CDH related features. The person who know about CDH, they only
Mhm,
can work on this particular project, right? Along with that, somewhere after CDH persons working on something, there is a need.
mhm.
This architect have to hand over that work to create some cases at somewhere. Okay.
Oh,
Suppose
okay.
if you are trying to promote some kind of
Mhm,
offers as a banking related application. Okay. Then
mhm.
customer may accepted
Yeah.
your offer. If customer
Yeah.
accepted that offer, you need to share
Mhm,
these details with the Pega team. Then they'll initiate a case to that customer to apply
mhm.
credit card or some debit card related particular cases. Getting? So
Yeah, yeah.
somewhere they have to work together. But if you are going with the CDH profile, they'll
Hmm.
assign works which are related to CDH only. Getting?
Yeah. Mhm.
Clear, right? Everyone, I
Hello.
think.
So yeah, overall summary is like going to CDH will be the good move, right?
Sorry?
Like moving to the like CDH part will be the good move for the career.
Yes, it is good only because now CDH is in the like a very rising point, at very rising point. Definitely you can
Yeah,
choose the CDH feature.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
some
thank you so
other
much.
person is trying to ask.
Yeah, this is Suresh. I'm also
Yes.
working on Pega, so I have 7 years experience with CSSA.
Okay,
So
both
if we
CSA plus
like if
CWC, or do you have any prior experience before that?
uh, before actually I worked in different tool reporting
Like
tool for
I'm
three
asking
years,
on different
but
other domain.
Mhm.
Okay, anyhow, you are
uh,
working
yep.
on Pega
Mm,
related applications since how long?
yes, 7 years.
7 years. Okay, then what is your question?
So yeah, if I take the CDH course, till what experience I can put? Like, can I put 3 years experience on
Yes,
CDH
minimum,
like that? Like
minimum,
till what
because
level?
our training will be in that level only. Definitely, you can
Okay,
able to go with minimum 3 years of experience. No problem in it.
okay. So if we put 3 years experience on CDH, remaining like a four or
Yes,
CDH plus
both
Pega, it's
C
kind of
plus
thing.
like
Uh-huh.
CSA plus
Okay.
CWSA, you can manage that. No problem.
So
And
if
if
we
you
will get
have the
some good
CDH,
packages.
sorry,
Sorry for interrupting. So if I put three
definitely
plus
good
on
packages only,
CDH.
right? Because
Mhm.
you will get a good
Because
hike
they may
only.
question like, uh, okay,
Good hike,
okay,
definitely. Because
okay.
that is
I thought
additional
like
thing
they
you are
may
learning.
say,
If some person is there, they are holding
hmm,
up to CSA plus CWSA, let's say, and you are the
okay,
person, you have both CSA, CWSA,
mhm,
and CDH on other hand.
yes,
So,
hmm,
as an organization, what is their first preference? Definitely skilled person only, right? They want.
correct,
So,
correct,
like
correct,
that, if you
okay,
are holding some additional certification
hmm,
with you, definitely you will get
hmm,
first chance to get into the
okay,
organization. Yes.
okay. We have LSC also in the Pega, right? So same
Yes.
way in CDH also kind of separate architect
Yeah, that is
certification
also
or.
lead decisioning architect also will be there. That we will cover in the next
Mhm.
few minutes because I have to cover
Okay,
this technical related PPT,
okay,
right?
okay.
So in this I
Hmm.
have added about that certifications.
Okay, so are you providing this course till architect level or
Yes.
only
Yes,
below
yes. Till that
architect
only,
level?
right? Minimum,
Okay.
you can able to
Mm.
apply your profile with 3 plus. Because here
Okay.
with
Mhm.
CDH, all different AI features also they included. Like they
Okay.
are including some kind of models here. Okay,
Mhm.
then data
Okay.
scientist will come into the picture. You can learn like after learning this CPDC, if you want to
Mhm.
learn AI related like some kind of data analyst related, data scientist related courses also, that will be added advantage only. Because in the coming sessions you can able to know in this CDH features itself, somewhere we have to work on models, but as a decisioning architect it is not that needed to know everything how that configuration is happening with the models, but somewhere they'll add the person who know about configuration which is related to coding. Okay, so some kind of Python related coding, all these things, there is other team, they'll take care about that model related configurations. Getting?
Okay.
So there
Okay.
are different
So this,
ways you can move your profile. No problem.
okay. Okay. So this Pega CDH will not have any coding part, I think. No? The same
No,
as
no.
like a
As
Pega
of
tool.
now,
Okay.
no. Same
Okay.
as Pega
Okay.
only, but here
Mhm.
there are some additional features you are learning. Along with,
Okay. Okay.
as usual, your dev studio, I
Mhm.
think why I'm discussing this technical stuff here. Everyone may know about Pega CSA level, I think. So who are attended for
Okay.
today's session, you everyone know about CSA, right? So how simply you have Dev Studio, Admin Studio, Prediction Studio, like this App Studio. In the same way, one more portal they have added, that is nothing but CDH portal. Okay, so whatever the work you can do with the decisioning part, that you can do in the Pega applications, like in the personal decision also you can do. But what are
Okay.
the
Is it
additional,
kind of
the
prediction
marketing?
studio?
Sorry?
Is it prediction studio you are asking?
Yeah, Prediction Studio also
This,
will be there, right?
okay,
What you are
okay,
asking?
okay.
Prediction Studio?
No, no. The CDH is all about prediction studio or
Yeah, that is
some
related
other.
to predicting, right? Predicting, right? Then
Uh,
model related
uh-huh.
configurations we have to do in the Prediction Studio, right? So that
Okay.
also we
Mm-hmm.
will
Okay.
discuss in the coming sessions. No problem. Everything
Okay.
we will cover one by one slowly, but the thing you people have to understand. That is first my priority. Without understanding the stuff, if you move further, there is no use, right? By end of these sessions, you should gain something. That is my motto. Okay. So that's what you need to learn the stuff slowly, one by one, and one more portal will be available with the CDH. That is nothing but Pega CDH framework related portal they are adding. Okay, Customer Decision Hub, that is a portal they'll add. In that, marketing related all the features will be available. Those are nothing but creating some kind of channel related configurations, like email channel, web channel, SMS related channel. All these things you can able to work with the Pega marketing features. Okay, so about that also we'll proceed in the next few minutes. If you are clear with this frequently asked questions and with your questions, I can proceed with the technical stuff. Clear?
Yeah, I have one question. Hello.
Yes. Yes, Abhi. Abhi,
Yeah,
right?
actually, yeah. So actually, I think it is answered like once we are done with this whole session of decisioning to our resume, we can add like we have worked 3 years in PECA decisioning, right?
Yeah, based on your confidence level. Just simply like that,
Okay.
if you add, no use, right? Based on your confidence level, if you have the confidence up to one place, you can add. If you have two place, that is also fine. But if you have more confidence, means if you are doing the practice regularly and you are doing some research kind of things, you can able to go with three plus, no problem.
After like actually my experience in like Pega is around like 7 to 8 years. CSA, CSSA whole. So
Okay.
I can like after doing all the projects here in decisioning, I can add 3 years of decisioning,
No
right?
problem. Yes, no problem.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
anyhow
Yeah.
you are working on Pega, right? It is easy to
Yeah.
understand what's happening in the backend, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes.
where
Yes. Yes.
what is calling, like by checking the view references, you can able to do some kind of additional research. Then that will
Hmm.
become some easy only. Okay.
Okay. So for learning this, do we need a prerequisite like cloud knowledge, concepts on cloud?
No, no, not like that. Cloud edition in the sense you have to work with the PDN related account only. It's not
Okay.
with any kind of AWS cloud, not like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Then. Thank you.
yeah. And I think Sri, another person raised your hand. Anything?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, my question is here in this session. Some experienced people are there, and some beginners are also there. So please explain in a beginner point of view, not in a experience level, so that
Yes, yes,
everyone.
definitely for sure. We will start our sessions in that way only. But here and there, I have covered all the questions from my end, and I just asking you people any questions from your end. So that's what few people are asking, so I'm just answering to them, because if I
Yeah.
skip that also, there is an impact, right? So that's what I'm just trying to do answer to their questions. Otherwise I am just trying to cover all the things in very basic level itself,
Yeah, thank you.
right? And may I know your like how many years of experience, like based on that I can proceed, right?
Yeah, I'm a beginner. I have 1.5 years of experience.
That is okay, but CSA knowledge, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, then. So we can proceed further. So till now we discussed about all different questions few people may have with you and some other questions which I have drafted. So in today's session, the rest remaining 20 minutes, we will discuss about technical stuff which is related to this PPT which I have prepared. Okay, so in this entire PPT, what we are going to cover here, one by one, I will tell you. Okay, so here we are trying to discuss about what is decisioning part, what is marketing part. Okay, what exactly you can do with Pega decisioning and what you can do with Pega marketing. Along with this Pega decisioning and marketing, somewhere you need to understand about some technical terms. Okay, those are nothing but next best actions, next best offers, and what is the difference between this next best action and next best offer. Okay, after that you have to understand few other things with this CDH features. Those are, when you are trying to learn about Pega CDH, mainly there are four major pillars which you need to understand and you need to know. Okay, so those are nothing but, one thing you need to understand about what is customer decision hub portal. Okay, means customer decision hub is nothing but it's a framework. Okay, after that, how to configure, I'll just try to draft a 1 minute. Okay, in the document I'll draft. So when you are trying to learn about Pega CPDC, you need to understand what is CDH. Okay, everyone, few people may learn about, like may heard about Pega CPDC, or few people may heard about CDH. Then what is this CDH, what is CPDC also we'll see slowly. After that, mainly in entire this Pega CDH training period, we will focus on NBA. Okay, it's nothing but next best action. Okay, the term NBA is nothing but next best action. So what is this next best action, why we need to know about this also we'll learn. Along with that, channels configuration. Okay, channels configuration is needed. Mainly we'll be having different types of channels like email channel. Okay, SMS channel, will be having web channel, some other related like a call center related channels also we have. So based on the requirement, we will try to cover different types of channel configurations. After that, another more you have to understand like AI ML related models. Okay, that's what I told you. Data scientist role also will come into the picture to work with the AI ML related models. Okay, where we will work on predictive model, adaptive models, scorecard models. Okay, so don't worry about these all technical stuff, all the things will cover one by one. But basically I am trying to give you some overview about the stuff which we are trying to cover in the next few days. Okay, and after this, another more thing which is associated with Pega CDH is customer profile. Okay, so customer profile analysis also very needed by combining interaction history. Okay, so what are all these things, we don't know about all these things. If you're feeling customer profile is nothing but there is different customers. Okay, there are customers. Then based on the customer purchase history, okay, based on, suppose let's say I'm explaining, based on customer purchase history or based on customer interest, okay, you have to promote different products to the customer. Then how you can know about this customer purchase history or their interest? That will be stored in the interaction history. Okay, this name itself it is specifying, which will help you to store the customers interactions with the organization about the offers. Okay, so whatever the offers you are promoting via any channel, then based on the customer acceptance or customer rejectance, or customer may have seen the offer, everything will be stored in the interaction history. Okay, so all these things we will try to learn in the coming sessions. But this CDH is nothing but it's customer decision hub. Okay, this is one of the framework. Along with this all, okay, this is one of the framework. Not only this framework, there are different other frameworks also we have in this Pega, right? So generally, what are the different frameworks? Even one or two frameworks, just try to mention here. Any of the frameworks, just please let me know once.
Pega CRM.
Yeah, so we have CRM related, yes, and onboarding. Any idea? Right?
Customer service.
Yeah, customer service. Like this, we have so many other frameworks. But what is this framework generally? Why we use a framework? What is the purpose of a framework? When you have a reusable, okay, when you have a reusability, then it's better to create a framework application and create or define the rules and use this in the multiple places, right? As similarly, when you are trying to create an application, let's say to promote or to provide, okay, let's say to provide some kind of loans, okay, to the customers, then first you need to collect some customer data. Correct, you have to collect some customers data. Then for every particular application, okay, either it may be related to some kind of personal loans, okay, or some kind of vehicle related loans, or some kind of mortgage related loans, whatever it may be. What is the pre-needed information we want from the customer? It is nothing but customer basic details. Correct, so this kind of basic details generally we can maintain, okay, we can maintain in the framework. And on top of this framework you can do create implementation related applications. Correct, implement related applications. Then what we can do here, from the framework we can utilize the data into the implementation applications. Then without collecting multiple times or without creating the rules multiple times, somewhere at one place if you create, you can reuse that same data in other applications which you are creating on top of that framework. Getting my point? So here in the same way, CDH is also one of the framework in the Pega. Okay, so why they have created this Pega CDH framework? To implement, okay, to implement some specific related use cases. Okay, then what are that use cases? Maybe we can do implement with Pega CDH framework. Okay, let's say simply try to understand my requirement. There is Amazon application, right? There is Amazon application. General example I'm giving. After that I'll try to give you some technical example. Okay, so there is Amazon application. Then you bought a laptop. Okay, laptop you purchased. Then from that Amazon application you may receive some kind of promotional messages, right? Some kind of messages or notifications we may receive. Then what kind of notifications we may receive? Related to this laptop, we may get some kind of promotional mails like purchase laptop charger or purchase laptop bag, mouse. Okay, or some kind of laptop related protection cases, protection cases, and some kind of headphones, right? So all these category of different products we are getting some kind of notifications, correct? Then what is happening in the back end? So in the previous, as a interaction history storage, so on, so customer purchased laptop, then that customer may be interested towards to purchase either charger or bag or mouse, any of the product. Then when customer purchase any of the product which you promoted, what will happen finally? Growth or growth or revenue of your organization may increase, correct? What will happen finally? Anyone, whatever, including me also, for which purpose we are working? Generally to generate some kind of revenue, correct? So even if they are promoting any kind of products, any kind of promotional mails, for the purpose of generating some revenue to increase their sales. Okay, if they increase their sales, what will happen finally? Their revenue will be increased. Getting my point? So here in the same way, if suppose if you are the customer of some HDFC bank, okay, you are the customer of HDFC bank. If you observe, you will receive some kind of promotional calls. Okay, why you are receiving promotional calls? Because you are holding some kind of salary, right? Then what they are trying to do, they are trying to promote some kind of loans related offers, correct or not? Or some kind of credit cards offers. Okay, or let's say you are a frequent traveler, you are a frequent traveler, you will get some kind of notifications via any of the channel. Either from email channel they may contact, from SMS they may contact, by doing a call they may contact the customer, whatever it may be. From any of the channel they are trying to promote their products to increase their revenue. Okay, then in such kind of all the projects they are using this Pega CDH application to improve their revenue. Getting my point, everyone? Clear this? Up to this point, clear? Correct, right?
Yes.
Then what is this Pega CPDC here? Okay, so CPDC is nothing but it's a certification name. When you do this certification, clients may understand you are you have some knowledge on Pega CDH framework. Getting? So here CPDC is nothing but Certified Pega Decisioning Consultant. Okay, then when you are doing this certification, you have to maintain the knowledge on decisioning part as well marketing part. Okay, so what is this decisioning and marketing here? What exactly we can do with the decisioning, what exactly we can do with the marketing? Okay, so here decisioning is nothing but, as I explained you a simple example, right? Let's say you want to promote any offer, okay, any offer to the customer. Then based on which factor, you want to promote? Yes, please. Any idea? So suppose you are trying to promote any of the credit card with the limit of minimum 1 lakh, let's say. Then how you are promoting this credit card to the customer? Just please let me know. So based on some kind of conditions, right? Based on some kind of back end conditions, you are promoting. If customer is having annual income below 15,000 per month, let's say, shall we promote? Just let me know once. If they are getting 15,000 per month, what if we promote 1 lakh offer to them? No use, right? So you need to find the customers who are having annual income more than some kind of 70K per month. Okay, like this. And if that customer is in the debts, then is there any use to promote? No, right? If customer is in the debts, if you trying to promote the offer, what is the use? Is there any kind of acceptance rate? No, right? So you need to check all the different factors in the backend. So by using decisioning features, you can able to predict all this kind of stuff. Okay, so in the decisioning part, what we can do means, by using the decisioning features, we can finalize next best actions. Okay, so here next best actions are nothing but I will explain you in the next few minutes if you do support. Otherwise we'll proceed in the tomorrow session, no problem. So the main use of decisioning is to promote right offers. Okay, right offers to the right customer at right time. So what is the meaning of this particular statement here? I will give you an example. So right offers to the right customers, that means what? Okay, suppose if customer is a traveler, okay, then what kind of offers we have to send? Travel related discounts we need to promote. Okay, if customer is a patient, let's say, then what we need to do here? We need to promote some kind of renewal
So,
insurances,
how we are
right?
deciding this customer is traveler or customer is like patient? Is there any
So
data
based on the
set which you
domain, you
provided?
can able to, yeah,
Yeah.
they'll provide you the information, right? Definitely.
Okay. So it will come from the
Getting?
CDH part, or it has some different like a portal from where it will be
Yeah,
come.
you'll get the data, right? By consuming even from the services, you will get the data
Okay. Yeah,
by
yeah,
using
yeah.
the
Got
data
it.
sets. Somewhere
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have data. By using the data sets, you can
Mhm.
read it, no problem. Okay, getting?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Got it. Got it.
So,
Got it.
right customer, what is the meaning of it? Let's say you are the customer to the Amazon application, and you bought some products which are related to electronics. Okay, then suppose you purchased a laptop. As simple example I'm explaining from starting itself. When you purchase the laptop, instead of the laptop, if they promote any kind of mobile phone, okay, mobile phone, any use here, just give me the confirmation once. Instead of mobile phone, if we promote laptop related products, okay, laptop related products that I explained, like laptop charger or laptop bag, laptop related mouse or headphones, if you promote this kind of products, what is the use, right? So there is a more scope. Customer may choose laptop related products instead of mobile phone. Getting my point? So right customer is nothing but the customer who bought laptop. You need to find to that right customer. You need to promote right offers, that in the sense right products which are related to the laptop. If you promote, that is very good and well. Okay, in the same way, at right time, okay, if they bought this laptop within a week or within 2 days, if you promote this, there are more chances. But after 1 month or after 3 4 months, if you promote, there are very less chances. Okay, very less chances to accept. Correct. So when they accept your offer, then definitely their revenue will increase, and obviously sales will increase. Then your organization will grow. Correct. If suppose if you promote these offers after some time, there are very less chances and there is a less scope to increase their sales. Getting? So that is how to promote right offers to the right customers at right time. You can use decisioning features. Okay, there are different kinds of decisioning features. If I listed here, you may get confused, but slowly we'll try to cover it, no problem. And I will just open this slide here. Okay, so what is this CDH? As we discussed, it is one of the best framework. So what is the use of framework? Also we discussed. Framework is nothing but where you are maintaining some reusability rules. Okay, so by using some reusable rules like OOTB related defined strategies, defined channel configurations, by using some kind of defined actions templates, you can use this framework, and on top of this framework you can build your own applications. Okay, then in this CDH we have decisioning part, right? So what is the use of decisioning part here? Mainly, which will help you to determine most relevant offers to the individual customers. Okay, generally in the past, like before this 24 versions, they followed traditional way of approach. So what is the traditional way of approach here? Let's say you have 1,000 customers data. Then to all these 1,000 customers data, if you promote offer, okay, if you promote offer, then out of 1,000 customers there are very less chances 10 people or like a 10% of the people may accept the offer. Okay, then what will happen here? 100 customers may accept. Why the reason here? The offer what you are promoting may suitable to the one profile, may not suitable to the other profile. Okay, instead of following this traditional approach, they have introduced one-to-one customer approach. So what is this customer one-to-one approach here? Whatever customer is interested towards the offer, based on that customer needs only, you are promoting the offers. Then what will happen? There are more chances that customer can accept the offer. Okay, so here, what is the purpose of decisioning here? This is mainly helping you to increase the sales. Okay, means not only sales, revenue also will increase, and customer engagement also will increase with your organization. Okay, So it is mainly help you to maximize business outcomes. Those are nothing but profits, okay, business outcomes, while delivering truly personalized customer experiences. That means whatever the suitable offers to the customer profile, if you promote, definitely for sure outcomes of your business will be increase. Okay, so to do this decisioning part, there are different reasons. Okay, to promote the offers, there are different reasons. To grow your organization, to increase your sales, or to retain the customers, there are many reasons. Okay, not only always to promote the offers, sometime there is a need, you have to retain the customer also. If it is a telecom domain, at starting of your business, 500 people are subscribed. Okay, later point of time, slowly subscribers are unsubscribing your organization related products. Okay, then what you need to do here, you need to retain that customers, so that there are different purposes to promote the offers or to retain the customers. Getting my point? Clear everyone? Any questions till this? So actually to cover the remaining slides, again it will take half an hour. So that remaining slides we will discuss in the tomorrow session. So please try to connect tomorrow also. Don't miss this to attend the sessions regularly, because after discussing about these slides, we'll discuss about what exact difference between Pega CPDC and CDH, and what other different features we will cover in this entire training period. All these things we'll discuss in the next coming sessions. Okay, so slowly one by one we will try to cover everything. Getting my point? And just try to give me the confirmation, everyone. Is it okay with my flow, or am I going fast? Anything speed issues, try to let me know. Because if in the initial sessions, if I understand how I have to uh, go with my flow, then it will be easy to deliver my content. Okay, yes, please. Clear everyone? Abhi, Anurag, Aarti, Aisha, Chandra, Himanshu, Imran, Kusuma, Madhuri, Naga, Navya, Nikita, Ramachandra, Sai, Kiran.
Yeah, you are going good for now.
Okay,
Uh,
Sri,
yeah.
Suresh. Yes, others also at least try to respond on chat and window, please.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
basically,
it's
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah, it's good.
okay then. So thank you for your confirmation, and thank you everyone for today. We will attach this recorded session in the WhatsApp. So please try to go through it once again. And one more thing, remember, it is not that easy to remember just by listening one time. Okay, so try to do practice this for multiple times in the coming sessions. But for today, if you are go through this recorded session, that is fine. Okay, yeah. So if you are okay, then we can wind up this session, and we'll meet tomorrow same timings. So thank you.